I do think platinum is particularly desirable in Asia, in Japan and China, as a substitute for gold in jewelry, which is, almost 3 times as expensive right now. So I think that's going to help to underpin the platinum market pretty sharply right now. So I do like platinum if you can buy it under 1600, and especially if you can get it under 1550. I think it's going to prove to be a real buy because of the substitution a lot of jewelry buyers will make for gold with platinum going forward, the way the pricing is for those two metals. On a 6-month candlestick chart, you can see something similar with, again, support at 1550. We did have just that one horrible day where platinum dropped about $200 and then rallied sharply on a lot of buying. And it's shown a pretty firm pattern thereafter with support at 1550, one more little break, and the market's firming up nicely. I like the way the platinum market looks right now for further gains, probably in a bit of a grinding manner.